Hi friends, time for another herb video. In this video, I'm going to share with you another herb that you can use to freshen your breath and brush your teeth. So before we get started, please like, subscribe, hit the bell button, comment, and check out my description down below. I have my LINKTREE, which links to everything that is me, and including mountain rose herbs, which I'm going to highlight in this video. All right, so let's get started. I have just a plain old cinnamon stick, and you can use this instead of chewing gum, instead of having that habit of, chewing unnatural sugars and sweeteners. I know natural gums are better for you, but they lose their flavor pretty quickly. So sometimes I feel like chewing on something, freshening my breath, I use a cinnamon stick, and what I like to do is take the cinnamon stick and I break it in half to get the smaller piece. Then you can save this one, and you pretty much use it like a little brush. Now, I don't do this in place of brushing my teeth, don't get that idea. However, I like to carry some along with me in the car, in my purse, and then you can take the other end and just chew a little bit, and it is a nice cinnamony flavor. Now the thing is, you have to get really good quality cinnamon sticks. The best cinnamon sticks that have the strongest cinnamon taste are from Mountain Rose Herb. I have my link down in my LINKTREE in my description. I've tried, of course, when I'm out shopping and at health food stores, to buy cinnamon sticks, and they never have the punch, the taste, that strong aroma of cinnamon like Mountain Rose Herb. So if you get a cinnamon stick that's just like kind of blah, it's almost like cardboard. So not really fun to chew on, but when they're cinnamony, it feels like you're actually doing something, reviving your mouth. So make a habit, a new habit. Carry around some cinnamon sticks. I also carry around fennel seeds. They're good to chew on. And take care of your teeth naturally on the go. Hi, Janelle here with Sheep Hill Herbs. Before you leave the channel, make sure you check out my description down below. I have my LINKTREE, and in there is my Etsy shop where I list my art. I have my Advanced Home Herbalist course. It's a 10-month course that ends in certificate. You have to submit homework to me each month, and we have an ongoing dialogue through email. And then I also have some of my herbal digital documents. I have a tea book, and I have some articles I've written, as well as my rug hookings. So go over and check out my Etsy shop. You can also see more about me there in my LINKTREE, my website, and contributing to this channel is a very sure way to help me be able to make more videos, because at this point it's a labor of love. But I appreciate all of you who come here, like, subscribe, leave comments. I'm trying to build a community, want to have some ongoing dialogue with those that come and visit this channel. Bye for now.